Hey, this little share is for someone who contacted me today, concerned that an application for Social Security disability would be thwarted by the fact that a family member is loaning her a couple $1,000s a month to cover mortgage and a couple little basics, I suppose, beyond that. I can't repeat it enough. Social Security disability is not affected by wealth, gifts, assets, anything like that. It only has to do with whether you have an inability to have work activity income. In other words, to earn it. Okay. So, and as you know, it doesn't mean you can't be totally useless and able to earn anything, but there are monetary limits. And then there are, of course, optical limits of practicality that, would direct whether or not it looks like you could actually do more and make sustainable work above that SGA amount that is otherwise the limit. So if someone is, now for Social Security disability, if someone is giving you money or loaning you money, it doesn't matter. It is not going to affect your right to apply for and prove that you're disabled and entitled to Social Security disability benefits. If you are on SSI, of course, it's a totally different story. And I think I have a video on that. You cannot be gifted money without it counting for the most part. And if you are, you might want to just, decide that you guys are going to have a loaning arrangement so that you're not stabbing yourself in the foot. And then you're going to want to document that loan arrangement, when it started, how much a month, that kind of thing. And then keep your documentation obviously signed by both of you. How you're paying it back. It's got to be unconditional. It can't be well, she can pay me maybe if, and it's got to be no. As soon as she's able to start paying me back, she has to start paying me back from whatever source, whether she wins the lottery, recovers and goes back to work, succeeds in her disability claim, whatever, it doesn't matter. So it's got to be an unconditional loan. But going back to it, Social Security disability, which is the vast majority of us, I think, you can borrow whatever you want. You can use your credit cards. You can, win the lottery or be gifted the money. If your family doesn't want to loan it to you, they don't have to. They can just give it to you. So I hope that helps. Do not worry about that if you're filing for Social Security disability. Okay. It is very different from SSI because Social Security disability is insurance that you bought and paid for. It is not a charity. It is not welfare. It is not a handout. So you paid for the insurance like you did any other kind of insurance. And when you trigger the terms of the policy, car accident, you have a car accident, you injure your car and you have collision insurance. Are you going to refrain from making a claim because, gee, I could pay for it out of my savings? No, you bought the insurance, you make the claim. And the same is true with Social Security disability. Even if you're wealthy, it doesn't matter. You bought it, use it. Okay. And loans are totally fine. No worries. Bye now.